Ray Charles Robinson, aka Ray Charles, was an Afro-American singer, pianist, and composer. He was born in 1930, the 23rd of September, in Georgia. He became totally blind when he was 7 years old. Most people say that is because he saw his brother drowning.
During the beginning of the 50s, Ray Charles comes back to Georgia to perform in Atlanta and discovers that the theater is open to white audience only. Atlanta's black population considers him like an idol and asks him to do something about segregation thanks to his fame. When he learned about that, he decided to react and didn't perform at all in Atlanta that day. After this event, he wasn't allowed to perform in Georgia anymore, so he decided to do a remake of the song Georgia in My Mind.
Composed by Augie Carmichael in 1930 and written by Stuart Gorwell, the song Georgia in My Mind became the national hymn of the state on the 24th of April 1979, and Ray Charles received public apologies from Georgia's government.
And now, let's see a short clip from the movie Ray, which shows the events we've just talked about.
Welcome back to Augusta, Ray. Hey, good to see you. Get out of here, man. Ray, I'm sorry about this, y'all. Hurry on up inside. You got some refreshments waiting for you.
Shaw, Mr. Shaw, you know tonight's show is segregated? The dance floor is whites only. Negroes can't leave the balcony.
Well, that's how it is, man. You know, this is Georgia.
You think we don't know that? Negroes been persecuted in this state every day.
Hey, look, man, ain't nothing I can do about that. I'm an entertainer, and we all gotta play Jim Crow down here.
That's right. Now get out of here, boy.
It doesn't have to be that way. You can change things right here and now.
I'm sorry, son. Ain't nothing I can do.
You hear that, boy? It's the way things are. Ain't nobody gonna change it. Now get your black ass out of here. Take that trash with you.
Hold on. He's right. He's right, Jeff. Get him on the bus.
You sure, Ray?
Get him back on the bus.
Y'all heard him? Y'all heard, Ray? Back on the bus, everybody.
What?
Everybody back on
Get
the
him on the
bus.
bus.
Are you serious?
Get him on the bus.
What the hell is this?
I can't do nothing, man.
Ray, you know me. I'm not gonna lose money just because you suddenly got religion.
Ain't nothing I can do, man.
You got a contract with me.
I know
You
that.
break it, I'm gonna sue your ass. And I win, Ray.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Look, I win
You
big.
gotta do what you gotta do.
I own your ass, Ray.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Charles. You could be the first.
No, thank you, son. You were right. You're right.